Right, today I start Operation Tea-Cut. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but the paintwork that should be red, and you look at places like this, it's almost pink. It's not been done in years. I've only had the van about 6 months and I've been meaning to do this for quite some time. I've bought some detailing kit and tea-cut and wax, and we're going to try and get this van back to some resemblance of what would not be normal paint. You can see it on this side, it looks very pink down the side. It's fading all round the door edges, and then I've also got to do the plastics. There's a nice little heat gun trick I'm going to try to bring the plastics back to new as well, and by the time it's done, the van should be as good as new, let's say that. Right, so here's the after shot. It's all been tea-cutted, waxed, polished, and we used Pure Definition products. And as you can see, a massive improvement from the first. I'm trying to keep my number plate out of this, so I'm going quite high up the van so you can see what's going on. And that's it. There's a few fade here and there that could be better, so it's probably 95% done. But these are the products. I'll just show you. Diamond Fusion, Pure Definition was the tea-cut, and you can buy a kit off eBay. You get this detailer spray and all sorts of different things, a wax and a pre-wax finish. So it's done a good job and I recommend it.